successful Scouting program depends on three things: the boys, adult leaders, and a supportive community. Scout Sunday is not just a celebration of the Boy and Cub Scouts. It is a celebration of the people who support us. Thank you to all the adult leaders and volunteers who donate their time, patience, and leadership. You all help make our pack a success. Thank you to our parents who take us to den and pack meetings, sleep on hard cots at camp, and wash our uniforms. We appreciate your dedication to us in Scouting. Finally, thank you to our St. Elizabeth Parish family. Your generous support of our events and fundraising activities keep Scouting a strong tradition in our community. Thank you.